Okay, so we're talking about time, and in the projects that we've been doing in this course, one of the common themes is that many people are talking about a physical product or a service which causes them to save time. And the question I wanted to ask is, why are so many things related to saving time? What is it about our modern society that people are too rushed to be able to do? And so what I thought I'd do is have a little bit of a conversation about some of the pressures that cause people to be rushed for time. Now, part of it has to do with the geographic environment and the economic environment. And the question I ask the students is, are the cities getting bigger or smaller? They're getting bigger. And your transportation in the city, whether it to be work or school or shopping or whatever it might be, is that taking you a longer time or a shorter time? So are the roads getting more and more congested? Is public transportation getting more and more difficult? Some students take 2, even 3 buses to get to class here, so it's difficult to even make a 10 a.m. class. Now, in terms of the people themselves, is the number of people living in the cities getting larger or smaller? It's getting larger, right? And there's a couple of reasons for that. One is because of immigrant population from other countries goes to the large cities. They don't go to the rural areas. And secondly, we also have a large global migration from rural areas into large cities. And this is not just a Canadian thing. This is a North American, this is European, this is an Asian thing. All large cities around the world are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, which are putting stress on the transportation systems. So one of the reasons why you're running out of time is because it takes you too long to get from one place to another place. So the transportation part of your day is becoming more and more time consuming. The second thing is part of the technological environment and the social cultural environment. So almost everybody uses social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. And you're taking time to look down at your phone and see all these updates. You're also answering emails, you're responding to tweets, and you're also using your phone for banking and shopping and things to do with school. So you spend a lot of time with your head down looking at something in your hand. A minimum of an hour a day, sometimes an hour and a half or 2 hours. Anybody here spend more than 2 hours a day on their phone? Do you think that quite a few people do? We've got a lot of people nodding heads. So when you think about the 24 hours that you have, and let's say you conservatively think you're going to have 6 for sleeping, and you're going to have at least 2, 2.5 for transportation, and then you got the social media thing, you don't really have a lot of time left over to have a job or to be in school. So that's some of the reasons why we're stressed for time, which affects the way we think about developing new products and services.